Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Playing with Drawing. We have another picture that I took on a walk in the neighborhood, and as per usual, the picture will be available on my Patreon. We are going to do something that's more, well, like we've been doing, that's more abstracted. Try not to look too much at the paper. And anyway, spring is definitely coming. It's really weird for us here in Oregon because we have not had the cold weather we're used to getting. Which is really odd. It's really strange. But that's okay. So I'm just gonna do my drawing. I hope you guys have all had a good weekend. I'm filming this on Monday. Not that you would know that, but that's the usual for me. Okay, that works for me. All right, now we're gonna go in. I think I'm gonna do the brown 05 and oh, here we go. This light gray. This is warm gray color 272 Faber-Castell soft brush pen. I use this sometimes for shadows. It's really good for that. So we'll see. I'm gonna keep it out. We're not going to erase the pencil lines because I just want it to be sort of inspired by the photo but abstracted. So as a teacher of mine once told me, if we want perfection, that's what the camera's for. This is art. I don't disagree with that. Anyway, I was out for a walk and everything was in bloom. It was so pretty. Gonna do our writing. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this one. It just gives it like a light gray. Gives it a little bit of dimension. And it won't move, it won't blend with the watercolor paint. I am noticing this particular one is a little dry. Time to change it out. Okay, now we are going to, oh, first I know what I want to do. I want to use my white pencil because the flowers in this picture are white, and so I want to preserve that if I can. So we're going to put some white down on here. Okay, then we're going to take a paintbrush and let's do the stem first. Get some browns out. There we go. Then we're going to get some yellow. My tablet went to sleep. Reference photo. Okay. So we'll put just a little bit. There's also some pink in some of these flowers. So we're going to use this because we don't have enough blending space. It's not going to stick where I put the crayon, the pencil, but in between the pencil it will. Okay, then we're going to add some green. I love these. They're quick, they're easy, they're simple. They make me happy, which is what art should do. Art should make you happy. There we go. Quick, easy, to the point. I got some brown down here where I didn't want it. There we go. All right, now I'm going to take some dark. I have this dark purpley gray on my palette, and this color is in the photograph. So I'm going to add it in. I don't know what kind of flowers these are. I have no idea. Okay, we're also. Yeah, love it. That's it. Quick, easy, and fun, as it should be. All right. I hope it gives you some idea of what you can do, and if you want access to any of the photos I do these drawings from or any other of the free content that's available over on Patreon, please go join. The membership is very small, but the patrons and supporters do have their own YouTube channel, and they get images and things from me all the time and all of that stuff. So the links for that are in the video description. The most important thing is to remember to go out and have a good day. Do something nice for yourself because you deserve it, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.